Meaning of femoral.
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 Femoral. The term femoral refers to the femur bone, which is the largest and strongest bone in the human body. It is located in the thigh region and extends from the hip joint to the knee joint. The femoral artery and vein, which supply blood to and from the leg, are also located in this area. There are various medical terms that use the word femoral, such as femoral hernia, femoral nerve, and femoral triangle. Overall, the term femoral is important in anatomy and medicine for describing structures and conditions related to the upper leg region.